aabutan tayo ng ulan nito ngayon. Pag maulan, mas maganda. Mas adventure, diba? Hindi ba gusto mo yung sabi mo dati? Gusto ko yung mga adventure. Oh, naalala ko nung sinabi mo nagkawasan tayo. So, gusto ko po dyan yung mga adventure. Ito, ulan.
Ship na to, ito na.
Ship na to.
Mambun pa.
Okay lang yan, ambol lang yan. Blessing.
Yeah.
Tuwang-tuwa siya sa itag na eh. Kahit sa itag.
Kain siya.
Basta cook.
Kala niya nagbibiro yung niluto lang natin.
Wala pa siyang dayo sa tao?
Wala pa yan. Pita daw ka rin. Ano na lang, i-lista na lang mamaya para makita nila. Tapos i-divide ko sa ilan yung kakain.
Ayaw niyo pang maniwala na kami nagluto eh. Joking.
Joking.
Hindi mo mapipil na itag yun. Tinikman mo, no? Oo.
Kasi nilaga mo ano namin, pinakuluan mo na namin yung tag. Hindi yan.
Huwag ka magpapalit lang sa mga itag yun, itag.
Oo, kaya nga. Pero tinuruan kasi kami dyan paano lutuin. Para hindi maalat, mawala yung ilaga nyo muna. Tapos saka nyo tanggalin. Tapos saka nyo hiwain ng maliliit.
Budol-budol din to eh.
Hindi ah. Sabi nga,
kasi nga pag niluto mo, diretso yun. Ibala na.
pag hanggang hapon hindi sumakat siya daw, tuloy na natin hanggang hapunan.
Yun yun, isa sa mga
Perfect pala yung pagkaluto eh. Tapos bawat event mo dito, ganun na pala yung lutuin, itag.
Wala pa yun, parang pakuluan.
karuan nila.
Dati nga opera dito ano, nag-opera ako 500 pesos.
Ano?
All meals.
All meals?
Oo. Pero hindi ako makakasama sa ito.
Oo. Pero kapagod, sobrang kapagod war.
Ayun.
Na-try ko yan.
Magluto.
Tatakbo pa ng tour, sasama pa sa cave. Pagbalik, magluluto pa, pili sa luta, pakain, pahinga sila.
Pag uwi mo nalalagnat.
Ay gulay. Katagalan ta, din ako sumama. Yung driver na lang pipick up. Dito na ako.
Siyempre magluluto ka pa. Uy.
Lalo nang galing biyahe, dating kami alas 11. Pagdating dyan, latag pagkain, tatagdan naman.
Yes, yes, yes. Sakto yan, mga stress mo sa palengke na.
Isang beses lang ako nagsagada na nagkuha ako ng kuor, dalawa. Yung tatlong ban na ano,
Hindi naman kaya, hindi naman kailangan kahit lang.
sila yung pinasama ko. Ngayon, bumalik tayo dito sa ano, Hanging Coffins kasi kahapon hindi tayo nakapunta dito. Dahil wala kulang sa guide. Yun now is ngayon natin gagawin yung punta ng Hanging Coffins here sa Sagada. Bago makapasok dito, registration, we pay registration, environmental fee, guide fee.
Ano ba?
Sino po yung PO sa ano sa
You can speak to English because we have foreigner. Okay, okay. Thank you.
You speak Tagalog?
At night, while I sleep.
Follow me, but don't follow me if I know. Welcome to Sagada.
No, thank you. Thank you very much.
Di call mo El Toro.
Turo. Ang turo. Turo. Ah, sige na. Ay, bumalik na. Okay, sige go. Mabilis lang to, around 40 minutes lang. 30 minutes ka.
Narinig namin yan ng pusa. Kasi may dala ko sa bato.
And ito po sa vlog ko. Yung organizer po talaga dito sumasama sa to.
Guys, kami po
Honest review po yun. Tatandaan niyo pong pangalan na yon, Warren Labio. Now, start trekking. Papunta ng Hanging Coffins.
Cemetery.
Cemetery first.
Then Hanging Coffins.
Hanging Coffins.
Yung dalawa pala pupuntahan.
Dadaanan lang.
Dadaanan sa cemetery.
Cemetery.
Public cemetery.
Yeah. Makikita nyo yung
Yun yung tuwing tuwing November, yan yung may parang sinusunog yung tradition.
November 1.
Dito yan, ginagano sir.
and dito nakalibing yung dalawang sa 44.
Diyan ba yan?
Tatlo yan sila. Pero yung isa dun sa kanila.
Yung isa dito.
Ay isa.
Isa sa mga ano sa 44. Taga dito. Ay tatlo.
Tatlo yun sila. Lahat Mountain Province.
So, inuwi siya dito. Yung tatlo pala.
And mag-lecture si guide regarding here. Sagada.
So, welcome to the St. Mary the Virgin Church Cemetery. When the American or missionaries came here in 1900, they were the ones who teach us to build a cemetery. Actually, our tradition before is we were just burying them at the entrance of the cave, or we're just hanging them. But the first graveyard here is the entrance of the cave. We hang them as of now to protect them from the vandalism. Because before somebody just opened the coffins at the entrance of the cave, we will see if there's some precious things to steal. So it's better if we hang them so that they cannot climb them. I will explain it later while we do the climbing tradition.
Picture first. Before we go.
Be sure. And
Ano yan? Dapat binigay mo yung cellphone mo para meron tayo.
libingan ng pare. Ray Edward.
Kay kuya eh.
Ayan, side na naman.
1933 no?
Istia. Yun yung ano, libingan ng pare. Libingan ng pare.
Ayun o yung soft.
Yeah.
Yun.
Stop dito.
Siya.
The foliage of
Ito yung libingan niya. PO3 Noel. Gulukan. The Sub 44 Hero. Ito pala yung cemetery dito. St. Mary Cemetery. Yung Sagada.
Rong ka dyan, Rong.
Ito yung narap mo.
Hanap mo yan. Makaya. Hindi, makaya.
Kanina?
Ako po yan?
After kami dumaan ng St. Mary Cemetery and papunta kami ng Hanging Coffins ulit.
Meron po.
Rock climbing. Ano, houting, hindi ka taga bukid. Pababa naman tayo. Yan, pababa tayo. Kung gusto nyo rin na mag hello kung gusto nyo rin naman adventure here in Sagada, meron silang wall climbing here Ayan, pwede kayo umakyat dyan. Additional sa adventure nyo. Siyempre additional din sa fees. Babayaran nyo. Kasi hindi naman kasama sa package. Pero kung gusto nyo talaga, pwede kayo mag try here sa Sagada ng wall climbing. And now, nandito na tayo sa Hanging Coffins. And hintayin lang natin na matapos yung ibang grupo na nag picture taking. After nyan tayo naman. And magdi-discuss na si guide regarding here in Hanging Coffins, the story.
Okay.
Hanging Coffins.
Welcome to Paitukan Hanging Coffins. The name of this place is Paitukan. Yes, as you can see there are coffins that was hung there. Some are short and some are long. The short ones doesn't mean that they are small people or children. They buried them in fetal position like this. That's the explanation of Dr. Scott, a missionary who came here who made a book of our tradition. But another explanation for the short coffin, before here in Sagada, this is grasslands, no pine trees. So they carried that pine tree on the other side of the mountain, so they just cut a short one so that they can carry. That's a practical explanation of that short coffins. So the long coffins, that's the effect of the missionaries who came here, or the Americans who came here, who teach us to build a cemetery, teach us to bury our dead one lying down. Dr. Scott told us that we were animism. The one who do that kind of tradition is animism, nature lovers. All creature has spirits, so we bury like that so that their spirits can roam around. The spirits of the earth. Okay, but our forefathers told themselves that they were pagans, but they don't know the meaning of pagans because of lack of education. We have our own God here, but we have different names of gods because we have different dialects. I have a guest before. He was a Jewish. You know the Jewish? They were the first disciple of Jesus Christ. I guided him at the Holy Baptist in Lumiang Market. You told me a while ago you are pagans and animals. No, you are not. You are the true Christian. Why? I asked him. You know why in the Bible there are no cemetery that was written in the Bible? The graveyard is the cave because Saint Lazarus and Jesus Christ was buried also in the cave. We also, our old site in Israel is the entrance of the cave. So not the Christian. We put this as a cemetery for sanity. He told me also, what do you like? You want to carry the world or the world will carry you? Because if you bury them 6 feet below the ground, you are carrying the world. It's better if you just put it at the end so that the world will carry you. This explanation makes sense. Yeah, that's my explanation. So if we have the coffins here, we are helping each other. Their nearest relatives, the man will come here or the neighborhood, will come here and build a temporary ladder made of bamboo. And they will put a hole on that rock so that they can put some bars. And they don't carry both because it's too heavy, especially the solid pine tree. They put first the coffins in the morning, after lunch in the afternoon. Put the body, just pass it on, wrap with our traditional blanket. It's like a bowl now because they bury this body first group. Pass it on. And after they bring it here, they will remove the blanket, put the dead body, and put the blanket. After that, they will remove again the ladder so that nobody can climb, nobody can disturb him or vandal him. That's the expression.
Do you still do that?
We're still practicing that kind of tradition. Until now. Yes.
Recent lang mga photos.
Bali dito sa Ikubali, mga
More.
Yes, can you move a little bit? Because we are taking pictures. Thank you very much.
Come here because somebody.
Meron akong tanong kuya. Yung ano, tawag dito, para hindi sila mabulok. Ano nangyari doon? Kasi,
Nabubulot yan kasi hindi mamis yan.
ay ano po, yung parang hindi nangangamoy.
Nangangamoy talaga, it smells awful.
Ah, so pag may kilibing na ganyan, bawal po.
Yes, kung sakaling may mailigyan yan, wala.
Mangangamoy siya.
Ang tagal. Ilang years back? Ano?
Baby man,
Ah,
hindi abot ng taon, amoy na yan. Nakakainin na kaagad ng udang ang mga flesh. Kapag namatay ang isang tao, useless na yung flesh na.
Gym ka pa, sarap pa ng buhay mo, kinain ka lang ngayon ng uwan.
Tapos na nga yung lecture ni Kuya Guide here in Hanging Coffins. And ngayon is babalik na kami. Balik na kami packet ulit kami sa ano. And siguro daanan na yung rock formation sa taas for photo ops.
Oh, William. You're William.
Take up photos ng group. Puro ng picture si Kuya ng group namin. Ayan o. May pabutas pa si Kuya.
Sarap.
Done. B. Palas lang tayo. Sa pwede ba? Sa wala masyadong tao.
Tingnan nyo kung okay lang yan.
may butas. Sa butas niya. Pag nag-ano ka, dyan sa petition.
Hawak ka dito.
Nag-detention ko.
Pinakamalapit na tourist spot? St. Mary Church. St. Mary.
Kasi pag baba mo ng sasakyan, andyan na.
Oh, bungad na agad eh.
Pati din yung mga battery at saka sa Galawin.
Yeah. Ayan. Start ulit dito sa rock formation. Dito sa wall climbing. Picture muna tayo doon. Tapos doon tayo sa rock formation. So pabalik na kami packet ulit. Aakyat ulit. Hinihingal na naman siya. Okay lang yan, this is the last. After this, magpapahinga na tayo doon. Hindi na tayo sasama ng Bumudok Falls.
Ito una.
Hindi tawak na lang po sa railing. Mas malapit po kasi yung cementerio eh. Hindi yung hospital.
Excuse me po.
Gusto nyo mapabili.
Mas malala yung bumudok dito. Nakapagod. Ang hirap na hindi ka na umakyat.
Ayan, shortcut yung simentado na yan.
Wala na ba dito? Oh, dito.
Dito sa bato na pinagpipicturan ng mga tao.
Oh. Hindi tayo ikot dun eh.
Ikot pa doon.
Dito sa rock formation. And titake lang ng photos here. Photos. Ayun sila.
Well, you have all the cool plants. Leave some for the others too.
Dito tayo St. Mary Church. Here is Sagada. Ito yung loob ng St. Mary Church. Ayun sila. Ito yung makikita mo sa loob ng St. Mary. And baka may nagtatanong kung ano dito, pastor ba o pare. Pare po yung nagmimisa dito, pero yung pare po dito sa St. Mary Church is pwede mag-asawa. Yun lang. This is the last destination and day 2 here in Sagada. And the organizer, honest review. Tara na. Okay, it's time to relax. Back to the barracks.